Hello all, myself Pradeep. I am studying in Interface College of Computer Application at Davangere. Today I will here explain about the topic of the block diagram of computer. We all know what is block diagram of computer, representing how the data and instructions flow between the computer memory and input and output devices managed by the computer unit is called block diagram of computer. Block diagram of computer is a input input the data and programs input and go with the main memory is known as a primary memory, and next flow on the say auxiliary memory is known as a secondary memory, and then the programs and data are go with on the control unit all the calculations and arithmetic logical units in control units, and then output and then goes on the output. Output is on a monitor. Output any user any instructions give the output using in the monitor and the printer, and then input any informations or a data is sent to a computer from programming which is sent by a user is called input. All the data received by the computer go through go through the input unit. The three major functions of input unit are: take the data by the process, the user convert the given data into machine reliable from the transmitter converted the data into main memory or the computer, create a easy communication with them. The input are the datas, the user instructions, datas and instructions. Using input the using the keyboard, joystick, web camera. The keyboard is it is instructions using the keys, and then and then computer memory, it is a data storage unit when the data to be processed and instructions received by the processing are stored. The types of memories: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is it is in a temporarily storage memory, and it is a secondary memory is a permanently storage memory. Primary memory, it is in a temporarily called volatile memory. It stores the data executely used by the computer central processing unit. Example: RAM and ROM. The diagram of RAM and ROM. The RAM features. And next, secondary memory. Secondary memory is used to store a permanently memory. It is called as a non-volatile memory, and it is a large capacity but slower compared to RAM. It is a and examples: hard disk and pen drive. Next, arithmetic and logical unit. After you enter the data through the input devices, it is stored in a primary storage, and the execute the actual processing of the data and instructions are performed by the arithmetic logical unit. After processing, the output is returned back to storage unit. Further processing or getting stored. Control unit acts like as a supervisor, seeing the done in proper proper fashion. Control unit is responsible for the coordination various operations. And then central processing unit. Central processing arithmetic and logical units and C and control units computer are generate known as the central unit. May you call as CPU as a brain of a computer, and then CPU central processing unit, control unit and arithmetic logical units together combine is called as a CPU. And then the diagram of CPU, and then last finally output. The processed data is called output. When we give the input as a data to a computer, it will process it in CPU. It gave the output inform in the form of output. The output the mainly used output devices are monitor, speaker, printer, and then the commonly used output devices are you see about the pictures: printer, monitor, speaker, projector. and thank you.